GPT can also assist in many other aspects. Here are some ways that GPT can be applied to marketing and SEO. Chatbots. Marketers can use to build chatbots. The platform will help train chatbots to answer customer questions in a more natural and personalized way. Create content. SEO and digital marketing. To create unique and interesting content for their campaigns. GPT marketing can not only support the creation of content on the website, but also attractive content on social networks can also be created. Keyword research can help marketers identify relevant keywords to target for their campaigns. This feature will help the marketing campaigns to be more diverse and accurate than before. Write advertising content not only helps marketers write SEO content for website or social media posts. Now, GPT can also help users write content for paid ads. GPT marketing writes effective content for search and social media campaigns. Customer service can be used to train customer care chatbots to respond to answers. Trained chatbots can give more effective and personalized answers. This helps brands to close the gap with customers. Can be used as a useful tool for marketers. This platform will help improve